Alright, I've been in the shed. It's 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock. I don't. It's nearly 12 o'clock. And it doesn't matter. My watch might be wrong actually. Let me check. It's 12 o'clock. Anyway, I got my bike fairings on, sort of. Not really. There's a lot of I don't know what you call them. Little things, little metal clips that I've lost, so I can't build the bike properly. So this part is empty, and the bottom part is not on, and sort of the same goes with the inner fairing here. As you can see, there's a gap, but I'm getting there. Alright, I'm getting there. I did all the front today. The front's perfect. So there are some dodgy spots around it, like there, and you see them quite here and there and everywhere, but it's okay because I really don't care, because I'm gonna drop this one day. I mean, I better bloody not, but I probably will. So anyway, I just test fitted this to take some photos to send to my R1 friend. Look, I don't know about the hexagons. I don't know, but I warm up to it, you know, I warm up to it. But there it is, nearly ready to ride. That fuel tank, even though it has a massive dent, isn't as big of an eyesore as I thought it would be. It is an eyesore. It's not as big as an eyesore as I thought it would be. The fairing seems to fit well. There seems to be a few issues. I think I can fix this by bending a bracket or two. I'm not sure. It's all the small stuff. And I gotta put a switch in here. It's just the small stuff. But yeah, there it is. I waited 4.5 months for this fucking thing. But it's finally here, and it's finally got to be back on the road. Today was a really bad day, and I'm really feeling it. And honestly, I just hope tomorrow's better. I don't know what to say. Today's been a very rough day. Really rough. You would say the fairing was the happy ending, but not really. Especially since I'm missing parts. It's not really a happy ending. But you know what? It's getting there. Alright? It's getting there. And that's all that's important. I ordered a new tank. $175 from Queensland at a Wreckers. A red one with no dents, nothing. The inside could be a little bit rusty though, but she looks alright. So I'll have to get my painter to bloody paint it, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. But yeah, it's definitely there. It's definitely getting there. Anyway, I'm dragging this video on for too long. Peace.